Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change the default system font in Windows 11. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up your web browser. We are not going to be doing the system configuration or text changing stuffs. So I'm just going to be using the easiest version, okay? So on your browser, just type down WinArrow Tweaker. Okay, again, WinArrow Tweaker. Hit on enter. Now go ahead and click on the ones from winarrowtweaker.com. So just click on it. Now download it right here and save it wherever you want. Wait for the download process to finish, close this one, and then just extract the file. All right. So here we have the WinArrow Tweaker setup. Just double click on it. Hit on yes, as there will be a pop-up, and just click on next. Portable mode or normal mode. So I'm just going to use normal mode right here. Hit on next. I accept. Next, 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 and then next. Install. And just wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, just untick visit winarrow.com and just leave run WinArrow Tweaker ticked. Click on finish to open up the application. Here we have the shortcut, and just delete any file right here that you don't need. Okay. So just click on I agree right here. Yes. And then once done, go ahead over to the left panel. Okay. By the way, you can go ahead and change a ton of settings right here if you want to. So I'm just going to go ahead and find advanced appearance settings right here. And here we have system font. Could also change status bar font right here if you want to. So I'm going to click on system font. Now you can go ahead and click on use the following font. Okay, change system font. Okay, so for example, you have a ton of downloaded fonts. You can go ahead and look it up right here, or you can just go ahead and try whatever you want from here. Maybe Arial, or maybe this one right here. Here's a preview. If you want that, click on OK, and then just click on sign out now. Okay, and after that, just hit on enter to sign back in. And then once done, your fonts will be changed. Okay, that's basically how you do it. And if you want to, by the way, you can go ahead and download fonts online. There are a ton of websites that gives free fonts. All right. So as you can see, my computer just boots up, and here we have it. As you can see here. All right. And that's just basically how you change the default system font, okay, in your Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.